Located on the western coast of peninsular Malaysia, Malacca is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers a delightful mix of historical landmarks, charming streets, and a unique blend of influences from various cultures. In today's video, I'm excited to take you on a virtual journey as we explore the 14 must-visit places in Malacca. Make sure to watch until the end because you won't want to miss out on these incredible attractions and experiences that this captivating city has to offer. Whether you choose to explore the Malacca River walk on foot or opt for a river cruise, this experience is a must-do in Malacca. It offers a different perspective of the city, allowing you to appreciate its unique charm, architectural treasures, and cultural heritage. So, don't miss the opportunity to stroll along the Malacca River and soak in the beauty of this enchanting city. Jonker Street in Malacca is a vibrant and captivating destination that offers a mix of history, culture, shopping, and gastronomic delights. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a shopaholic, or a food lover, this lively street has something for everyone. So, don't miss the opportunity to explore Jonker Street and experience the vibrant atmosphere and unique offerings it has to offer. The history of Jonker Street dates back to the Dutch colonial era. It was originally called Heeren Street and was inhabited by wealthy Dutch merchants and officials. Over the years, the street became a hub of commerce and trade, attracting merchants from various cultures, including Chinese, Malay, and Arab. Today, Jonker Street is famous for its eclectic mix of shops and stalls selling a wide range of goods. As you stroll along the street, you'll find antique stores, art galleries, boutiques, and traditional handicraft shops. Whether you're looking for unique souvenirs, traditional clothing, or antique treasures, Jonker Street is a shopaholic's paradise. One of the highlights of Jonker Street is the Jonker Walk Night Market, held every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evening. During the night market, the street comes alive with a bustling atmosphere and vibrant colors. You can explore the stalls selling everything from local snacks and street food to clothing, accessories, and handicrafts. The market is a sensory delight, with the aroma of sizzling sauté, the sounds of street performers, and the vibrant energy of the crowd. The street is renowned for its mouth-watering street food, offering a blend of Chinese, Malay, and Nyonya cuisines. Some of the must-try dishes include chicken rice balls, Nyonya laksa, sauté, sendal, and various local snacks. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll, capturing stunning photographs, or simply enjoying the romantic ambience, the Malacca River walk at night offers a unique and memorable experience. It allows you to witness the city's charm and beauty in a different light, creating lasting memories of your time in Malacca. So, don't miss the opportunity to explore the Malacca River walk at night and be captivated by the enchanting atmosphere that unfolds along the riverbanks. During my recent trip to Malacca, I had the pleasure of staying at the exceptional Swiss Garden Hotel Malacca, and I can't recommend it enough. This well-established hotel is situated right in the heart of Malacca, Malaysia, making it an ideal choice for travelers seeking comfort, convenience, and a touch of luxury. With its prime location, comfortable accommodations, modern amenities, and exceptional service, it guarantees a memorable and enjoyable stay, leaving you with cherished memories of your time in this enchanting city. The mural arts of Malacca have not only added aesthetic value to the city but have also revitalized public spaces, promoting cultural appreciation and tourism. So, as you wander through the streets of Malacca, be sure to keep an eye out for these vibrant and thought-provoking murals that beautifully capture the spirit of this charming city. To fully enjoy the Sunday morning flea market, it's best to arrive early in the morning to beat the crowds and have ample time to browse through the stalls. Remember to bring cash as most vendors may not accept credit cards. The market offers a unique and vibrant experience, allowing you to uncover hidden gems and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of Malacca. So, if you're in town on a Sunday morning, don't miss the chance to explore this bustling flea market and discover fascinating treasures and unexpected finds. Visiting the Baba-Nyonya Heritage Museum is an enriching experience that offers a glimpse into the unique world of the Peranakan community. It celebrates their distinctive art, customs, and traditions, ensuring that their rich heritage continues to be cherished and understood by future generations. As you explore the museum, you'll encounter a rich collection of artifacts and heirlooms that reflect the Peranakan heritage. The exhibits include traditional clothing, intricate jewelry, porcelain ware, furniture, and household items. There are several significant red-colored buildings throughout the city that hold historical and cultural significance. However, without more specific details, it is challenging to provide a comprehensive overview of a specific street or area referred to as Malacca Red Building Street. The Flor de la Mar was a Portuguese ship that played a significant role in the age of exploration and maritime trade during the 16th century. The replica ship serves as the main attraction of the museum, allowing visitors to step aboard and explore its various sections. As you walk through the ship, you can envision the life of sailors, understand the challenges they faced during their voyages, and gain insight into the naval technology of the era. Inside the Martime Museum, there are exhibits that delve into different aspects of Malacca's maritime history. The displays showcase the importance of Malacca as a major port city and its connections to global trade networks. Visitors can learn about the ancient maritime trade routes that passed through Malacca, connecting the East and the West and facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. The museum also sheds light on naval warfare during the era, presenting information about the strategies, weapons, and technologies employed by various maritime powers. Visitors can explore exhibits that highlight the conflicts and interactions between different naval forces, including the Portuguese, Dutch, and British. The Malacca River cruise is an excellent way to explore the city's heritage and appreciate its architectural beauty from a unique perspective. It provides a relaxing and enjoyable experience for all ages, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the history and culture of Malacca while enjoying scenic views along the riverbanks. In our highly anticipated Part 2 of the Malacca tour, get ready for an exhilarating adventure as we explore more exciting tourist attractions that will leave you wanting more. Brace yourself as we unveil the spine-chilling Malacca Ghost Museum, indulge in mouth-watering local cuisine, and discover a stunning observatory deck for breathtaking views of Malacca. This video is a must-watch for anyone seeking an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on this thrilling adventure in Malacca. Get ready for an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing for more of this extraordinary city. Stay tuned for the excitement that awaits you in our upcoming video.